El alfabeto. So what we are doing right now is filling in this notes page. This is what the notes page looks like. And what's going to happen is I'm going to go through a presentation or some slides, and I'm going to say each letter in English and then how to say that letter, like the sound that it makes in Spanish. So what you need to do, if you have it printed out, you're just going to write it in. But if not, you're going to type in whatever I say or whatever you see on the screen. Okay, el alfabeto. So the first letter A is A. So if I were to spell something, that's not how you say the letter A in Spanish. That's just the sound it makes. So if I were to say something or spell something saying A, then you would know to write the letter A. The next one, letter B, is B. C, se. There are some extra letters in Spanish that don't exist in English, and this is one of them. CH is technically a diphthong, but that is che. So this letter doesn't exist in Spanish, but if you were to spell something with that in Spanish, or that doesn't exist in English, sorry, it's a long day, it's Friday. So therefore, you would say che to start off spelling chocolate, for example, and you'd get to skip that second letter and just focus on that. Next one is D, de. E, a. This can get very tricky when you look at the vowels because it's an E, but you say the letter A. So that's something that you just have to be very, very cognizant of as you're going through these. F, F. G, G. H, H. I, E. Again, it says E, but it means I. J, J. K, K. L, L. Another extra letter that doesn't exist in English is the double L. Together that is eye. You might notice that from me llamo, and it makes a y noise when you say it. M, emme. N, enne. This N with a mustache on top or wearing a cute little hat is called an enye. Enye. And it makes that ny noise in mañana. O. O is O. It's the same in Spanish and English. P is pe. Q is ku. R is ere. Another one that is unique to Spanish is the double R, and this makes the R noise. So this one is erre. Go ahead and try that. There are two ways that you can do this. One is if you're really lucky, I'm not able to do it this way, but anybody who is a native speaker or if you've spoken another language in your house, you might automatically do this. But it's where you get your tongue behind your front teeth and it makes a R noise. I can't do it. So instead, when I was younger and trying to practice this, I would pretend like I was gargling water. And that same kind of motion in your throat is what will give you that R noise. But if you just really can't, one word in Spanish, if you want to try it out, is dog, and that is perro, with that double R in the middle. So you can try practicing and saying perro, perro. Or if you cannot make that noise at all, don't worry. All you would just do is say that R noise for a little longer. Perro, right? Okay, moving on. S, ese. T, te. U, u. V, ve. W is literally, in English, a double U. So it's U two times. But in Spanish, it is double V. And if you look at it, it does look like two V's. Doble V. That's how you say it in Spanish. Doble V. Doble V. X, X. Like Reese. X. Okay, don't say X because then you're going to sound like a crazy person. X. Put all of your emphasis on the E. X. Y is really long for Spanish. It is Y. It's a very long one. Y. And the last one is zeta. And then in the song, at the very end, they say, Yo sé el alfabeto. Ole! So that's how we end it. All right, make sure you have this filled in, and you'll be good to go.